understand that while we're involved with various network providers and to provide the best infrastructure to make sure we get the best speeds that we can, better coverage around the country and around the world.
I found it really interesting because if I wanted to download a game like Fortnite, I would have mega fast download speeds.
Huawei are one of our great long-time collaborators. We've worked with them over a great many years and they're always at the cutting edge and the forefront of technology.
It is instantaneous and it can do things that you didn't think would be possible. I think things like gaming, I must admit, even as a non-gamer, I was pretty impressed.
5G was that it wasn't just like this kind of radio frequency that goes out. It's packets of information.